Simply the best Bluetooth speakers available in India, only Sonos can come closer. However, this has an amazing bass and acoustics. Moreover, Alexa ensures that you don't have to physically touch the speaker to use it. Extremely satisfied and happy with the purchase from Amazon. Delivery was quick and within one day. Buy if you want to enjoy high-quality sound at low volume. I bought the product from Bose store in 31200 with a discount of 8000. 1. The sound quality is superb and response to low and high frequencies is good. You may not feel good response in shopping mall or in the shop, but at home and in alone the bass is really good. 2. The initial software update is around 780 MB and would take around an hour, so be patient. 3. Somehow in Bose sound application the Amazon Music is not available, but once you log in it would work in the speaker. Also you can connect your Amazon Music application directly to speaker. 4. The volume response is bit slower, it is taking around a second or two to get the reaction in the device. 5. It cannot be used as a night clock because the glow is too much to sleep. 6. The voice response is based upon the internet speed, so do not blame to speaker. 7. There is not much services available to add beside Amazon Music, TuneIn, Spotify. Only one Hindi radio station is available to listen from Bose online radio service. 8. It is more sort of shelf speaker without subwoofer, still it is giving good sound. Don't expect a boom box like Thumb from it, yet it can compete with it. 9. It is quite heavy, around 3.2 kg and dust proof and shock proof, still I am looking for some cover to avoid the dust to accumulate on it. 10. Finally, it has inbuilt integrated amplifiers, but the quality of the sound would depends upon the quality, bit rate of the media you are playing. Enjoy listening. Magnificent wonder. For some time I was keeping an eye on this beauty. And today I have got it. And I am writing about it today itself. Don't blink man, just take it go. Sandy, New Delhi, Ind. I am real excited to get my hands on Bose Home Speaker 500. I like listening to music a lot, you could call me an audiophile, and I really wanted a premium bookshelf smart speaker in my bedroom which could deliver a pure, clean, detailed and a crisp audio. Bose Home Speaker 500 does live up to that expectation. It's punchy but not as crisp as I would like it to be. Nonetheless, it does a fantastic job. It sounds brilliant. In the smart speaker department, it does a phenomenal job. It looks and feels better than any other smart speaker in the market. I make the following assessment after extensively using it, edit for 6 months now. A. Audio quality. The true mark of a premium audio device is the proficiency with which it handles lows, bass, mids and highs, treble. Each have their own distinct space and should confine itself to those spaces to give a detailed audio. Bose Home Speaker 500 packs a punch. Sometimes the bass is all over the spectrum and the treble is not crisp enough. The bass is superb even without a subwoofer and tweeter. Genres like EDM, Deep House, etc. will not be heavenly if your music is treble heavy, but if your music is bass heavy, you're in for a treat. Keep in mind that I've set extremely high standard for this speaker and treble is not so bad. Rock music sounds well, so does country and alternative. Potheads will enjoy listening to trance. Yes, you can adjust bass and treble, not mids, from the Bose Music app to your satisfaction. Click link in description for more reviews.